Hi friends and new friends, I'm Christopher Carruthers, also known as Tao of Satoshi. You may recall from my last video I noted that Tesla had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. I also noted that while companies buying Bitcoin was a welcome turn of events, a cryptocurrency that was able to buy stock in companies to help support its long-term health would be even more newsworthy. I made a proposal that Dash should buy some shares in Tesla, if only to show a symbolic gesture to show the capabilities of Dash's Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO for short. Well, it turns out that it's being considered, and it may even happen in the near future. Find out more on this episode of CATV. So what is Cash Alternative TV, other than that catchy jingle? Well, it's a show about cryptocurrency with a focus on Dash, which aims to be a digital cash for the world, or an alternative to cash. If that's something that interests you, you want to learn more about Dash, or just want to hang out with me some more, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss an episode. Now onto the topic of today's show. The Dash Investment Foundation, or DIF for short, is the arm of Dash's DAO that's responsible for making legal investments in companies that may help Dash financially or developmentally. This is a first-of-its-kind entity that does not exist in any other cryptocurrency project. In a recent live AMA, Dash Core Group CEO Ryan Taylor commented that what the charter of the Dash Investment Foundation says is that it will invest for the benefit of the network. Now that does technically allow the DIF to invest in stocks, bonds, or whatever it wants. I think the real secret sauce where it really shines is bringing partners to the table. It's worth noting here that the DIF has an interesting early portfolio of companies that help the Dash infrastructure and show future promise. Among these are trading platform Quadency, esports platform ReadyRater, and retail rewards app CrayPay. The DIF is also in the process of entering deals with the point-of-sale platform Dash Retail and an unknown at the time of filming financial services provider. Keep in mind the DIF is a legal entity entering into various investments on behalf of the decentralized Dash network. It was established in 2019 as a Cayman Islands Foundation company and is completely controlled by Dash's Masternode network. Pretty cool, huh? After the news about Tesla broke, and shortly after my last video, Dash Communications Manager Mark Mason tweeted a poll to ask the Dash community what investments they would like to see the DIF pursue. The result was an overwhelming vote of confidence in the upcoming Coinbase IPO, Tesla shares, or even both. It remains to be seen whether the DIF will actually go through with these investments. They have experts on board to estimate their viability. But just the fact that the Dash even has this option is incredible. Mark Mason summarized it well by saying, "The crypto space hasn't realized just yet how revolutionary the DIF is. It's one of blockchain's best-kept secrets. While the media is currently fixated on tech companies buying Bitcoin, the Dash network is investing and taking equity in blockchain startups and tech companies. The DIF portfolio is growing fast. Partner interest is strong. The DIF is reviewing many company pitch decks for investment, and we have new DIF investments in the pipeline that we're very excited to announce to the network. It's a very exciting time for Dash. So you may be wondering how the DIF gets the Dash to invest in these companies. Well, this is due to Dash's unique block reward system. Whereas in most proof-of-work cryptocurrencies, the whole block reward goes to miners, in Dash the block reward is split between miners, masternodes, and the decentralized Dash treasury. The masternode network votes on how to allocate the treasury every month, and usually allocates a portion to the DIF. The eventual fiat amount this turns out to be is obviously affected by the price of Dash at the time. A higher price leads to higher quality investment opportunities. Mark Mason had this to say about that. Dash's treasury proposal system has 5,325 Dash total available per monthly budget for allocation. With Dash's price at $302, that's 1,608,150 the network has to allocate to proposals that will grow and add value to the network. If Dash goes back to the 2017 all-time high of $1,600, it's going to have 8,520,000 every month for development, investment, marketing, to build and grow the network. The higher the Dash price, the stronger the network becomes by creating positive feedback loops that snowball and grow the network ecosystem. With this current bull market increasing the Dash price, we can look forward to bigger and bigger investments from the Dash network through the DIF. Maybe even Coinbase and Tesla shares. Time will tell, or has told, depending on when you're watching this. Well, that's it for me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell if you want to see more from me in Cash Alternative TV episodes. Until next time, remember, Dash is a digital alternative to cash, and it's becoming more so every day. Bye for now.
Cash alternative.